Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a verified BDO account and the BDO Digital or BDO QR app installed. Open the app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. Once signed in, locate the merchant or QR code enrollment option and start a new registration. You'll input business name, TIN, and linked account number, then upload a clear photo of your ID and proof of business. This starts the verification process and creates the record needed to generate a QR. Once your merchant record exists, configure the QR specifics. Decide static if you want a single persistent code or dynamic for transaction-specific amounts. You'll set currency, accepted payment types, and which BDO account receives settlements, and adjust receipt and notification preferences. If integrating with a POS, obtain the API credentials or merchant code and follow the integration steps in the app. If standalone, generate and download a high-resolution PNG or PDF to print as decals or place digitally on invoices. You finish by activating the QR and performing test transactions to confirm payments flow to your account. Make sure notifications and email receipts are enabled, then check that test settlements reflect in 24 to 48 hours. Reconcile daily by comparing app transaction logs to bank statements to catch discrepancies early. If something goes wrong, first update the app and confirm your merchant registration was approved, then retry a small test payment. If issues persist, contact BDO support with transaction ID for quick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.